I'm a target, bitch. He's targeting you. Yeah, that's what she says about everybody. Oh yeah, I don't want to be a target, blah 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 blah. I might shut the fuck up, bitch. I might shut the fuck up. I do not need to be hearing your voice right now. Okay. Man, this client, in her manic stage, I don't know how anybody deals with it. I really don't, and I don't care. I don't care when it comes to her. Yeah, I hope something happens to her. Yeah, because she's a fucking nightmare to work with. I hate working with her. Not just opinionated, but she is crazy. She's fucking crazy. I can't with her. Yeah, she's fucking crazy. Yeah, I can't believe I get stuck with a freaking... Yeah, I can't believe I'm stuck with a client like her, you know, crazy. Yeah, she was fucking... Oh, I think I know why it's not showing notification. Wait. Yeah, I know why. Yeah. Fuck.
Most of Carly's initial statement made to investigators, and we have no reason to believe that there is a threat to the public safety related to this particular case. Thank you very much.
With that, we'll open the floor to some questions. Please raise your hand and I'll call on you. Carol.
Chief, do you expect any charges against Carly Blackwell in connection with the disappearance and in connection with what was taken from the Woodhouse spa?
Right now, our focus is to determine those 49 hours, so the investigation continues. So to be perfectly honest with you, that hasn't even entered our mind or been discussed.
One more question. Is it surprising to you that the family has not been cooperative in returning to be questioned?
Well, I think the families think that in her mental state right now, because of trauma of the incident, that she's not ready to talk, is what we've been told.
Question for Chief. You stated that the abductor had orange hair. Was this abductor black male? Was it female? Black female? White female?
I believe it's a white male. Am I correct by saying that? Was it ever? Yeah, white male.
Sure.
Alleged abductor yet on loose
I can't turn on Broadway.
Don't believe so.
Chief Bernie Leo, WDRC, has a toxicology report been done and were any drugs or illegal substances found in her system?
We have no report of that.
Is there any indication of mental illness in this case?
Not that I'm aware of.
There's been a concern in the community that if this turned out not to be a true story, that the next time a young woman of color was missing, that it might not be taken seriously. How would you respond to that?
I'd respond to say that we investigate every crime to the fullest, just like we have this one.
Was she traveling with anyone? Excuse me. Was she traveling with anyone since the time she disappeared, to your knowledge?
And not to my knowledge.
Chief, I know you said you weren't able to verify a lot of aspects of the story. Where do you think she went, and how would you characterize what happened to her?
You know, that's the $100 question. You know, we pretty much know exactly what took place from the time she left work until she got on the 911 call, and we can see getting out of the car on the interstate from that footage. And after that, I think she only knows. We don't know.
Well, one quick follow-up. Her parents. Did you speak with Carly's parents, and why do you think it is they were so adamant that there was an abductor?
Yeah, I think parents are believing what their daughter's saying, and we've had a very good rapport with the parents, met with them on several occasions. I've talked to them today a few times, and to make them understand that we're under pressure from our community, not only in our community of the state, but nationally when the story hit. And I just wanted them to understand that today we were going to have a press conference, and what we were going to detail today are facts. And everything that I've told you today is actual facts. It's not innuendos. It's not what I think. It's not what these detectives think. It is the factual information that we have.
Question about this WPRC.
autopsy, how much time do you think you'll give the family before going back to public process?
Well, I think our detectives have talked to the parents, and we're ready. We're ready to talk as soon as she's ready. So, you know, she called right now. We're ready.
When you describe what went on, what would that mean?
How about unknown? You know, we know the facts that we have. Everything else is unknown at this time.
What have the past few days been like for you, your department? This has been a stressful search, hasn't it?
Well, absolutely. And again, the focus of the investigation that Thursday, when she went missing, of course, the focus was to get Carly home. That's what we want all. We wanted her safe and sound, and that's all happened. And then, of course, this has gotten to be not only a local, state story, but a national story. So, you know, it is. It's a lot of stress on everyone in the Hoover Police Department, and the mayor, to every citizen here. We want to know the truth.
As you stand here, are you frustrated?
I wouldn't say I'm frustrated. I mean, I'm very happy that Carly's home. That was the main ingredient here, and then we'll figure it out. I promise you that. We'll end up figuring it out.
Any idea about the number of manpower hours or the expense of the drones and all the rest of the search that might cost the city and the state and federal government?
We haven't had time to consider that, but it's you know, again, these detectives that are here, this is just a small group of people that have been associated with this case. We have put every available resource that we have on this case because we wanted to make sure that we found out everything. We wanted to get her home, and we have.
Is there any prior indication of mental health problems?
Not that I'm aware of.
People from the state, federal resources brought in, what were they doing exactly as you all were searching for? Can you just expand on that?
Sure. A lot of the from the FBI side, several agents helping us interview. I mean, as you well know, in a case like this, especially when it goes national, we got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of calls. And when you get those calls, some of them may just be outlandish, but you've got to follow up on them because you never know that you may get that one tidbit. And I'd also say too that we had a great cooperation with the family. The family received hundreds and hundreds of tips, and every time they got a tip, they sent it to us.
Would you say a crime has been committed?
No, we have not determined that. No.
Keith Mims, WATG 610 Summit Media. Question for Chief. With all of the searches that you mentioned, Chief, that were on Carly's phone, does that kind of give you an indication of her mind state during this ordeal, 48 hours that she went missing?
Well, you know, again, we want to talk in facts, and I do think it's highly unusual to the day that someone gets kidnapped, that several 7 hours, 8 hours before that they're searching the internet, Googling the movie Taken about an abduction. I find that very, very strange, yes.
Do you feel confident, your investigators feel confident that you know why Carly was missing?
No, we don't know. Absolutely not.
While in the Carly was on the phone by the water, she was traveling 6 football fields, which tells you what?
Which tells me that I've had kids, and I'm sure a lot of people here have, and it's very, very, again, she said it, and I'm not saying it couldn't happen because I've always been one of these guys, never say never, but 6 football fields. I mean, I like athletics, I like football. 6 football fields. To think that a toddler, barefoot, that could be 3 or 4 years old, is going to travel 6 football fields without getting in the roadway, without crying, without any just moving down. It's just very hard for me to understand.
Chief, have you used any technology to enhance that video from 459, and did you see a man grab her?
We did not see, from what we can tell, we don't see anybody on the interstate other than her car and then someone getting out of her driver's side. We have sent that off to the FBI for enhancement. It has not been determined.
Do you think in this case that charges will be forthcoming towards Carly Russell, and how serious of a crime is it to not only fabricate a 911 call, but to lie to law enforcement during an investigation?
Well, you know, again, that's not something that we would discuss as we go through the slow investigation. But you know, people have to understand that when someone says something like this, we put every available resource. Everybody comes together from
Black tie.
state, local,
In fact,
federal. It's just a lot of work, and you know, gentleman already said frustrated. I mean, it is a little frustrating to think that all this has been done and we can't find anything out.
Calling in from the side of the road when she made that 911 call?
Not to my knowledge.
All right, so that's what it is here. Is this investigation held up until you can speak once again to Carly Russell?
Well, there's a few things that we're still doing, but obviously we want to talk to Carly as soon as we can and do an in-depth interview. And at that time, I think we'll have these investigators doing some other things. So
that's all the questions we're going to answer today. We appreciate you guys coming, and we'll be following up with y'all later. Thank you so much.
So the story out of Hoover, Alabama there made national headlines. We're talking about 25-year-old Carly Russell there who had called 911 saying that she spotted a toddler on the highway and said that she had hit her eye onto him. Looked like it was a little kid in a white t-shirt and a diaper walking down the highway. Hangs up.
Grab the keys to a new Toyota and get low 3.99% APR plus $2,500 bonus cash on the new fully electric BZ4X when you finance with Toyota. Toyota, let's go places. Click the banner or visit buyatoyota.com for details. This just in, BMO is coming. Let's go live to the scene.
I'm at what will soon be a BMO branch, and it's remarkable. I'm hearing a BMO debit card gets you more fee-free ATMs than the two largest U.S. banks combined. And you can earn a cash reward for saving every month.
Janet, is BMO a new phenomenon?
New to the West Coast, Tom, but they've been helping customers and businesses for over 200 years.
That's fantastic, Janet. For more on this story, visit BMO.com.
Conditions apply. Accounts are subject to approval and are provided in the United States by BMO Harris Bank N.A. Member FDIC.
Why wait until November when Black Friday mattress deals are going on now at Ashley? Right now, you can shop our best-selling mattresses at Black Friday prices. For a limited time, save $1,000 on select Sealy mattresses and take advantage of low monthly payments with 60-month special financing. Visit your local Ashley store and experience Black Friday in July. Happening now, only at Ashley. Subject to credit approval, no minimum purchase required. Minimum monthly payment, down payment, tax, and delivery required. See store for details.
Right now at Wendy's, when you buy either a Dave's single, spicy chicken sandwich, medium frosty, or 10-piece nuggets, you can get another for just $1. Your dollar never tasted so good. So it's obvious what everyone will get, right?
Definitely nuts
Spicy
and a
chicken
frosty.
sandwich, Dave's single, and a frosty.
Frosty and a frosty. Okay, who said frosty and a frosty? Pick your obvious choice. Choose wisely. Choose Wendy's, buy one, get one for $1.
Limited time only. Price participation may vary. The U.S. Wendy's valid for item of equal or lesser value. Cannot be combined in a combo or any other offer.
Not sure what to listen to next? Well, here's this week's top 3 things to listen on TuneIn. Daniel Ricciardo makes his F1 return. But can anyone stop Max Verstappen? Listen to the Hungarian Grand Prix this Sunday. Take a trip down memory lane and buckle up for the nostalgia-fueled ride on Boss Radio 66, featuring DJ Tom Hanks. Oh, do it. Yep, that Tom Hanks. News happens fast, so stay informed quickly and easily with the TuneIn newsstand. Find these and more trending items on the homepage of TuneIn.
You're listening to ABC News, America's #1 source for news. Now streaming here 24/7. At the top and bottom of the hour, you'll get live updates from ABC News Radio. Then breaking news, in-depth reporting, and more from ABC News Live. Straightforward journalism, powerful storytelling, always up to date. Now, the latest headlines, live from ABC News headquarters in New York.
From ABC News, I'm Michelle Franzen. The U.S. still working to ascertain the whereabouts and well-being of Travis King, the U.S. soldier who crossed into North Korea Tuesday. King was due to return to Fort Bliss, Texas, to face possible discipline after serving time in a South Korean prison after an altercation with locals.
White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre said the U.S. had reached out to South Korea and Sweden to learn more, but said it may take, quote, a little bit of time to gather information.
I want to be very clear that the administration has and will continue to actively work to ensure his safety and the return of Private King to us and to his family, obviously.
Karen Travers, ABC News, the White House.
2 IRS whistleblowers testifying before a Republican-led House committee today about the Justice Department's investigation and plea deal with Hunter Biden.
Gary Shapley is a 14-year veteran of the IRS. He's also known as Whistleblower X. He's on Capitol Hill to testify that the Justice Department handled Hunter Biden's tax investigation investigation differently from any other case he's been a part of. The Justice Department, as well as the Trump appointee leading the case, have disputed the allegations. In June, Hunter Biden struck a deal with the DOJ to plead.
Oh boy, okay.